Autumn is right around the corner, and that means only one thing: new decorations for your home. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Angelica, and on this channel you will find those of easy and budget friendly DIY projects. So if you like doing your own home decorations, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. For today's video I've prepared 3 full DIY projects. It will be all about the pumpkin, as for me this is a symbol of this time of the year. 3 ideas, 3 different styles, so I hope you find something what you like. And with that being said, let's get right into the first project. For my first project, I've decided to change the look of this super glittery and orange styrofoam pumpkin. I remove its stem and put it on the side. I'm going to paint it completely black with acrylic paint. At first I was worrying that the paint might not stick very well to the glitter, but that wasn't the case and coverage was really good. The pumpkin stem I've painted gold. I'm using acrylic paint, but you could also use the spray paint. So I've started the recording process of attaching the leaves to the pumpkin and then realized that my camera was recording diagonally. So I've peeled off the leaves to show you exactly what I've done. That's why you can see the white spots on the top. I've got these decorative gold leaves which I'm gluing one by one around the hole for the stem. I'm gluing only small parts of each leaf, and then I put my gold pumpkin stem back on. The rest of the leaves I'm attaching only in one section of the pumpkin going down, so it looks like a stream of leaves. This is more of the modern look pumpkin. Contrast between black and gold looks really nice and classy. When September starts, you can find many Halloween and fall decorations in any store. I found this ceramic orange flower pot in the shape of pumpkin. I'm not the biggest fan of bright orange decoration, so I've decided to paint it. I'm using a mix of beige and white acrylic paint, and with the brush I cover the whole pumpkin. Because of the bright color, I will have to use few layers of the paint to actually cover it properly. In this case, spray paint would be a much better choice. I take piece of styrofoam and draw 2 circles. They will go inside of my pot so the diameter can be bigger than the size of the planter hole. And then using knife I'll cut them out. I've got 2 as I'm gonna place one on top of the other one. This styrofoam is quite thin. Now I move them to the inside of the planter. I've collected all of my artificial flowers and leaves. I also have some pampas grass. I'm going for more subdued colors, so I probably won't use any of the bright yellow or red flowers. But this part you can customize whichever way you want. Go for the colors you like and match your interior. With arranging the flowers, trust your instinct. I'm placing 3 flowers and greenery around them. Longer piece I place at the back of my bunch. I think pampas grass adds more of the rustic look. I'm happy how this project came out. It will create perfect fall decoration for your table, and you can always play around with the flowers, changing their arrangement. To create fabric pumpkin, you will need any kind of fabric in your favorite color or pattern. Cut it into square shape. Size depends on how big you want your pumpkin to be. I've got 4 squares in different sizes to create a set of 4. If your fabric is double-sided, that's perfect, but if it's like mine, place it with the better side facing up. Create a line of glue on the one edge of the square. I'm using hot glue, but it can be fabric glue or you can even sew it if you wish. Fold fabric in half and glue 2 edges together. Take the shorter side of your rectangle shape now and gather it together. Wrap it with some rope or thread to secure. These will create the bottom of my new pumpkin. Turn the fabric inside out. Now you can see why it was important to glue the other side of the fabric. To fill it and make it super soft, I'm using filler from the old pillow. It's actually the same filling which I was using to create this candy looks too. I make sure it creates one big and round ball. I twist the spare fabric on the top and again secure it with the rope. To make pumpkin shape out of this ball, I take the string and wrap it tight around, creating the bulging typical for the pumpkin. Altogether, I create 8 of them, trying to keep the same size. And then I wrap the end of the cord to the stem. I'm cutting the spare fabric off, leaving only few centimeters of it. To create the stem, I'm using some kind of jute rope, but it really can be anything. I just go with it around the fabric, make it slightly thinner at the top. Altogether, I've created a small family of 4 pumpkins. All of them are in different color and size, but because of the same tone of the pastel color, they go really well together. Let me know in the comment section which project was your favorite and what's your style when it comes to decorating for fall. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and tag me on Instagram if you're going to recreate any of these projects. I love seeing your work. And if you are looking for more fall ideas, I also created another video. I will link it up here and down below. And for now, thank you so much for watching, your support, and I will see you in my next video.